Oh, oh, people! I can't do the salute right now because I'm not wearing the white boat captain's hat, people. But I was just down there getting this hot sauce. That's right. This is Maestros, the taco sauce. I'm gonna be putting some of this on my chili. That's right. Made chili yesterday. We had a lot of snow. Now I don't want to exaggerate and say that we had 5 feet of snow. You know, that's something the alias Scoville brothers would say. 2 feet more likely. I think their official totals, from what I'm reading online, like 18 inches. One said 18.6, another one 17.9. Like, I don't know. There's between 1.5 feet and a little over 2 feet of snow. And it's getting very cold. It's not so cold right now, but Wednesday night and then for the rest of the week, it's going to be sub-zero temperatures overnight. The actual temperature is supposed to be negative 9 degrees Fahrenheit Wednesday, staying like that until Saturday when it's going to be negative 12 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm working on getting another tank of oil delivered. I'm about 1/3 of a tank right now. Yeah, that's more than enough, but got to get more of that anti-gel shit, and they'll come and fill it up and get it full. I don't know. It's so damn cold, people. Wah. Well, it's not this cold in Ecuador. I know that the cuck that calls himself Johnny Scoville, that's not his real name. He did some shorts, like kind of laughing it up that, hey, it's warm down here. I heard you guys are all having a snowstorm. I hope he enjoys it down there, really. I don't know how long he's going to be down there and walking free, but I hope he enjoys it, seriously. I hope he grows some peppers. You know, he's told the world, I think there's 5 more days, 4 more days, 5 more days. He's going to get some seeds. Now, apparently, he said in his comments that his seeds aren't coming through the mail because there's no postal service there. The seeds are coming because somebody's taking a vacation to Ecuador and they're bringing seeds with them. I'd love to know who that person is and give them a good fuck that guy as well. That's enough of that. Oh, it's getting windy. My nipples are going to get hard. They could cut glass. They were so hard this morning. I was out here for an hour and a half shoveling my old ass. Anyway, we'll see what I can do about that pain later. But for right now, we're going to get into this Maestros. That's right, folks. And we're using a metal spoon. I've already used some cuss words. But can you see the goodness in there? There's all kinds of black and seeds and different pieces of stuff in there. Look at that. I've had this many times. I'm going to see if I can read the ingredients. Okay. Tomatoes, vinegar, red pepper, Fresno peppers, onion, habanero pepper, salt, garlic, black pepper, basil, paprika, and spices. And this is processed in a facility that may contain tree nuts. Maestros is my favorite American hot sauce company. And I'll read the little write-up on it. This is the last word in taco sauce. Cumin and tomatoes accompany habaneros, garlic, and basil to create a medium-heat, savory profile that brings to life the deeper flavors in any dish. While made with its namesake in mind, we've also found that these flavors pair excellently with rice and beans, beef dishes, and in breakfast scrambles. This is batch number 18, and it's manufactured by Maestros Sauce Company out of McMurray, Pennsylvania. I'll leave a link for their site. And let's get into this. I hope everybody's having a happy and healthy Mudflap Marissa Monday. I'll probably try to be back later with another video, but I don't know. And we are going to have some more true crime stuff on here. That's right, folks. I have to redact a lot of stuff. You know, there's stuff that I have that isn't through, like, I didn't receive it digitally, like through the internet, like it's paperwork, and I'm going to have to, like, copy it at Staples and then manually redact a lot of stuff on that stuff. That's some special stuff that none of you have ever seen before, because if you had, I know that somebody would have leaked it. Might have to put that one up on Rumble. That's why I say, follow me on Rumble, because this could end at any time. So, my spoon here. See if we get a hiss. No. Oh, it smells taco-y. I love Maestros. They're hands down the best. Look at that. All right, I'm not doing a proper pour. And I've been cussing already, and look at that. I got some snow on my spoon. You know what? Let's get a little more snow. Oh no! The snow has a different consistency. You know, the little man was playing with snow in the kitchen yesterday. We brought in a bunch of snow he could play. Just like a little bit of snow. He was playing with it for over an hour. It didn't melt. You know, and that's suspect. You know, because like a few days ago, there was planes, a lot of more air traffic in the area I saw here, and they were all like letting that steam or whatever you want to call it. It's chemtrails. Like, why were they doing that 3 days before all this storm started and all that? And now we have all this snow, like a massive amount of snow. It doesn't really melt, and it has like a gritty texture to it. I don't know. Food for thought, people. Anyway, here's a pour. Not going to call it a proper pour, but let's get out of there. All right, look at that. That's a lot. So from Maestros, this is the taco sauce. Cheers. Delicious. Delicious. So good. And this is kind of mild, you know. Most people could handle this. It tastes like taco sauce. A delicious taco sauce. And it does go well in breakfast sandwiches and other dishes and stuff like that. It has just a little bit of heat, but not a lot. And I think that everybody could enjoy this if they use it in moderation, in small amounts. So, let's get a little more snow. It's a chemtrail snow. Maybe we'll talk about some of that on this channel too. Well, I did say I'm going to talk about the Bible and stuff. And there's a lot of stuff in the Bible that a lot of people don't pay attention to. It has to do with the shape of the earth and where we live and what's covering the earth. Believe me, people, that they know. And when I say they, you know who I'm talking about. They know, and they're keeping us all, well, distracted with other stuff. Like these alias Scoville scumbags and that fat pig they're both tapping. But I'm going to try to get to the bottom of some of it. Again, follow me on Rumble. I'll leave a link for Maestros. And let me go enjoy some of the snow, I guess. This gritty chemtrail snow. I don't know. Anyway, people, I'll leave a link too for the video of Toots not allowed to be around females under 18 years of age, not allowed to be around daycares or any of that stuff. I believe it's when he was on probation after he copped to the sexual assault. Was it his I don't want to talk about mama. Have a happy Monday, people. And above all, fuck that guy.